Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to show you the miracles of the availability of a mathematical code in the Surah of Al-Fatiha. And Al-Fatiha, as you know, is the first surah which is in Quran, and this is the surah that every Muslim is reciting every day during their prayers, right? For 5 times a day, right? In each raka'ah, if you understand about how the salah performed by Muslim. But if not, then you have to go online and check yourself. Okay, so in here, before we go to this table that I already make, I will show you the reference that you can use to find this information, to check if what I'm putting here is a lie or is a truth, or am I making up anything. So you can check yourself. Yeah, you can check it here, right? So if you don't have a Quran, you can check on the what do you call it, the online Quran.com or whatever. You can check on Al-Fatiha, right? This is the Al-Fatiha is the first letter, right? I just use here the Noble Quran, right? And then just go click Al-Fatiha here. You can see. So I just copy paste from here and put everything on my Excel. So you can check yourself if you think I'm playing around, right? Okay, so that's the reference. And then I would like to show you as well the reference of the letter values. So as you know that in alphabet, normal alphabet, A, B, C, D, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and so on, right? But for Arabic letters, there's a difference here, and it has different uh, numerical value, and you can check it by go to Wikipedia and check on abjad numerals, right? You can see here for alif is 1, 2, and so on, right, until 1000. So I already copy paste as well in the Excels to make it easier, right? And then the next one is the code of 19. So 19 is the code that Allah used to protect the whole Quran, right? I found it in many of the mathematical calculations in the whole Quran, right? In almost every surah. So in here, Y19, you can check on Surat Al-Mudathir, okay? In the Al-Mudathir, it says that over it are 19. The Al-Mudathir is on the 74th surah of the Quran. You can check on verse 30 and 31st of the surah. It says over it are 19 here, 19s, which is meant for the angels, right? So, and we have not made the keepers of the fire except angels, and we have not made their numbers except as a trial for those who disbelieve. So this number is a trial for those who disbelieve, which is proven to be true, which is the mathematical code, right? We just found it recently, right? And those who were given the scripture will be convinced, and those who have belief will increase in faith, and those who were given the scripture and the believers will not have doubt, and those in whose hearts there is hypocrisy, and the disbeliever will say, what does Allah intend by this as an example, right? So they're confused. What is number 4, right? So this is the idea that I'm going to show you, and this is also a challenge to you as well. Okay, let's go to the Excels to make it short. Okay, here, see, I already put the numerical value here, right? Okay, so it's easy for reference, right? Okay, and now in here I put as well Al-Fatiha is comprised of 7 verse. So I just put here first, and all of them has. So I put here the total letter count. How many letter in each of these verse? So I put here. You can check yourself. I don't make things funny here, so you can see here, right? For example, this Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, like in my previous video, I already showed that there is a 19 letter, right? Here you can see it here, right? So also the translation, so you can check yourself here, right? Okay, I don't want to make the videos too long, just check yourself if you don't believe. And then I put the total numerical value, right? For example, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim here, as I showed before. B is for Basmala. You can find 2 here, so I put 2 here. I even put the calculation here. It's very easy for you now, very very easy. For a sin, S, you can see S is 60, right? I see here 60, right? Or you can see from here, see, right? 60 and 40 and so on, right? So here all of these are the calculation, and this is the summary, right? This is the total count. Okay, you cannot tell me making you cannot tell that I'm only making up until you go yourself and check. Don't just tell that I'm making this up without you checking yourself. You have to be what do you call it, you have to be scientific. Don't be a self judgment. Don't judge me before you check yourself. Okay. All right, next one. Okay, so the first miracle is that you know that this is the first surah and the first there is a 7 verse, right? So if you put together next to each other, it's showing 17. Why 17? After we check, it seems that this Al-Fatihah is recited in every prayers of the 5 daily prayers in Islam, and each of the this is the rakaah in each prayer, right? So if I sum all of this, it will give 17. So it's a miracle, right? So first surah, and it has 7 verse, it's showing us 17. It seems we found that there is Al-Fatiha is 17 times recited every day by a Muslim. Okay, let's go to the bigger miracle that will make you astounded, and to show that this is humanly impossible, and to show you that this surah is impossible, very very impossible, if any human in the world, even with a calculator or even with the computer, can even make this kind of surah. This is to show you that Allah is the only one who can make this one, and this is a solid proof that Quran is not made by anyone but God. You cannot deny it. You cannot deny it. For sure you cannot. You can find all the mistake in Quran, but still Quran, you cannot deny that Quran is cannot be made by human, which is, so who can make it again, right? Only God. That's it. Okay, we just go ahead now. So what happened here? So if I put the surah number, so this is the first surah, right? I put the surah number here, and then I put each first number here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? It becomes this number, right? So if I check, it seems it's a multiply of 19. Isn't it amazing? It's a multiply of 19. See, I just put here the number here, and then I divide it by 19, right? What if I change this to, for example, I change this to 8? See, it will change the number, right? So that's what I'm saying here, right? This is multiply of 19. This is crazy, huh? How can it be? Okay, next calculation code. What if I put the first the surah number next to the letter count number? Okay, so 1 I put next to 19, and then next to 17, 12, 11, so on until 43, right? Okay, and then I put here the number here, and then it's also a division of 19. Amazing, huh? Multiply of 19. How can that be? This is humanly impossible. How can anyone make this type of, let me put like 5 for example. See, it will mess up the calculation, right? Amazing, huh? How can anyone make this? And you will be more astounded after this, with this very very like billions of digit here. Nobody, how can you calculate, make a sentence based on billions of digit? Who is the human able to do that? I don't know. Okay, look at this. Now if I put the surah number, okay, if I put the surah number, and then I put next to the letter number, and then I put next to the numerical number, right? So the surah number is number 1, and I put the 19, the letter number, and then I put 786, which is the total numerical value of this the first verse, right? So you see here, I'm not making up, right? I'm not making it make up anything, right? So then 17 I put 581, and then 12 I put 618, and so on, right? And then look at this value here, but this is too long, so I have to use a Kaysan calculator, right? So because I cannot use it here, otherwise the number will be funny. So look at this, I just copy here, and then let's go to Kaysan calculator online, and you will be astounded. Just see, I put here the number here. See, look at how many digits this. So I put division by 19, execute. Look at this, multiply of 19. Crazy, huh? Okay, what if I change this 9 to 5, for example? Execute. See, it will not become a multiple of 19 anymore, right? Correct? Crazy, huh? Okay. See, if it's equal to crazy, huh? I don't know how can you deny that. It's hard to deny. Okay, next one. What if I reverse the number? What if I reverse the number from back towards? So this number, right? Okay, so I put 90. So I put like 6009. I put here. I put 43. Then after 43, and then 1072. So I put backwards, right? Backward, you understand, right? Backwards, right? And then 70, 80, 86, and then 19, then 1. What happened? What happened? Is it also a multiply of 19? Let's see. Let's check. Sorry. Amazingly, yes. How can it be? How can these billions of number become a multiply of 19? Too many codes in just one surah. See, if I change the number, it will change again, right? It will not be a multiply of 19 anymore. This is crazy. Nobody can make this. How can you deny that Quran wasn't made by God after this fact? This is crazy. Okay, now the most difficult part. I will put all together, yeah, the surah number, and then the ayah number, and then the letter number, and then the numerical number. This is crazy, right? And then the second one, second number, right, 2, and then letter number 17, and then numerical all until the end, right? 7436009, right? Okay, now let's check by using Kaizen as well, because it has to be high precision calculator, otherwise you will not be able to count in Excel cannot do it. I don't know if any human can do it 1400 years ago. Okay, let's check. Oh my god, this is amazing. It is a 19, multiply of 19. What if I change this 09? I change to what? I change to 13? Let's see. Ah, it's messed up the calculation again, right? Oh man, you cannot deny this. Quran is made by God. How can you deny this? How can there is any human with the common sense in the world can deny that this calculation can be made by human, or maybe just trying to mix and match? This is crazy. How can we mix match like this? Are you a superhuman mix matcher or what? This is impossible. You have to admit it. You cannot argue anything on this. This is made by God. I challenge anyone, if you can show me just one verse in any scriptures or any books, anything, any language which have this kind of calculation. I challenge you. You will not able to be found. You will not able to find it at all. Trust me. Okay, hope this become hidayah for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.